Mitsubishi electric innovation has been making our world a better place for generations. Mitsubishi Electric's ductless variable speed inverter-driven compressor technology is revolutionizing the way we cool and heat homes. It transforms a single room or an entire home into individually controlled zoned areas. It delivers consistent comfort and pristine air quality without adding an additional load to an existing system. And it's the #1 preferred ductless system in the US. Imagine having individual rooms conditioned to ideal temperatures with allergen-free air, all while dramatically reducing energy costs. Mitsubishi Electric pioneered variable speed inverter-driven compressor technology, the cutting-edge alternative to traditional cooling and heating systems. It's Mitsubishi Electric, innovation that feels good. It's easy and affordable to enjoy the quality of life difference a custom comfort-zoned room or home can make. Cooling and heating concerns confront as many as 80 million American homeowners every day. A Mitsubishi Diamond contractor will listen to those issues and, in turn, provide expert guidance and options that can best transform any home into an environmentally optimized living space. Mitsubishi Electric Diamond contractors use advanced support tools to assist in helping determine the best solutions. Older homes converted years earlier with central heat and air often are plagued by hot spots, cold spots, and poor air quality, full of allergens and germs. Plus, energy inefficiency makes expenses add up. As older HVAC systems become less reliable and fail, new solutions to old problems become necessary. It used to be the only heating and cooling alternative was to add on to an existing central HVAC system or rely on ineffective alternatives. And many people would certainly rather have a living space free of the inefficiencies and inadequacies of outmoded systems. Imagine a living space without loud compressor noise, safety risks, or dust-stirring mechanics and the allergens that come with them. Armed with trusted contractor advice and knowledge of variable speed inverter-driven compressor technology, people are finding their way to a system that provides cutting-edge, worry-free HVAC benefits. With this advanced ductless heating and cooling system, there's minimal demolition for the system's pipework to connect to a flexible and inconspicuous outside unit. Small pipes are installed in the walls through a small 3-inch hole, which means less debris in the yard for neighbors to see and a shorter time with workers on the premises. Plus, the system's fast, easy installation by a qualified contractor is a primary advantage because it causes dramatically less intrusion. Mitsubishi Electric's advanced features, such as the IC sensor, detects variable temperature spots that move within the space by scanning the room and making adjustments based on the ambient temperature readings. By controlling the airflow in a wide variety of ways, the system achieves superior cooling and heating performance with extremely efficient operation. Homeowners sleep easier knowing a sophisticated multi-part filter system is working to remove contaminants, such as allergens, viruses, bacteria, dust, and pollens from the air as it circulates. The hybrid catechin pre-filter absorbs odor-causing gases. The filter components are washable, and when properly maintained, the included filters can be effective for more than 10 years. Using Energy Star products in a home battles global warming and pollution, all while leading to lower energy bills. Plus, the system is comprised of 83% recyclable parts. The comprehensive wireless remote control gives complete freedom to manage a room's environment. It controls temperature, fan speed, and more. No question, Mitsubishi Electric innovation is ideal for add-on rooms or converting an existing room into a perfect new living space. The comfort zone concept can be applied to a single room, onto other rooms, or even to the entire home. Repurposing a space brings its own set of challenges. Cooling and heating installations often must take place in tight spaces with potentially poor air circulation, unique temperature control issues, and a high likelihood of energy waste. Space-saving ductless installation options provide solutions for unique installation problems. Special features such as wide-angle airflow provides maximum circulation in narrow spaces. Advanced features like powerful mode permit the system to temporarily run at a lower or higher temperature, and then increase fan speed, which quickly brings the room to its optimum comfort level. H2i hyperheating inverter technology provides tremendous heating capabilities that make sure the home is warm and comfortable, even when the outside temperature is as low as -13 degrees Fahrenheit. Installing Mitsubishi Electric's variable speed inverter-driven compressor technology can make a potentially complex conversion into an easily transformed, comfortable, allergen-free, energy-efficient comfort zone. Mitsubishi Electric's ductless inverter-driven compressor technology is the flexible, future-ready, cost-effective way to cool and heat, as well as add value to your home. Consult a Mitsubishi Electric Diamond contractor in your area to learn more about how you can transform any space or your entire home into a multi-room comfort zone and feel smart about your decision.